guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free. For the most part, beauty, sometimes some lifestyle. I have Trader Joe's hauls. I'm gonna be doing more vlogs, thrifting, that kind of stuff. So if you're gonna know what I'm wearing right now, on my arm, I'm wearing these beautiful singles from my new friend, Amanda. She did these herself. I cannot, I know, Willie, they're beautiful. And she's inspiring me to make my own as well, just for fun. But yeah, she sent me these beautiful singles, and she does not sell these, yes. And then her beautiful Ladybug Glow eyeshadow impressed pigment palette. It has 2 multi-chromes. It is absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to play with this tomorrow, as well as her singles. But yeah, it's fun to give her a little shout out. Supporting small businesses and women founded. She's just incredibly nice and sweet and just a good person. She's from California. Today I'm going to be getting into my Boxycharm premium box. I will tell you the products that I picked and give you kind of my thoughts. So let's get into this. So this is an item that I did pick. You can pick 2 items from the choices. And this is from LYS Beauty. This is their Think Bright Glow Anhydrate Serum that has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It has this shimmer to it. Maybe I can see that. I like it under makeup, as well as I haven't really used this for skincare per se. I've used it under sunscreen as well as on top of sunscreen. I know one of my friends, Olivia, is not really a fan of this, but I do like it. I do like the dropper. It is in a glass bottle. LYS is actually pretty affordable for Sephora. So it is a serum. Very liquidy, it almost feels like water. And then it's very light, scent, but it's makes your skin glowy. I don't find it super sticky. It's not like the Hydro Grip from e.l.f., but there is some, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a little bit of shimmer, but she's just not really a big fan of it, but I do really like it. And then we also got from Ciate London, which I know also Olivia loves Ciate London, and put a lot in the boxes, but it is, I think it's a good brand. This is their Velvet Lip Liner in the shade Cocoa, which I think I used once. It is supposed to be long lasting, intense pigment, kind of like a thicker one. And there's the color right there. So kind of like a, I guess a warm nude, but it's a little thicker than a lot of other lip liners that I have. But I've only worn that for a little bit, so I'm excited to try that out. Hopefully it's a good formula. And then here we go to the kind of the negatives. All right, so let's go over prices, by the way. Okay, so the LYS serum is $28. The Ciate London lip liner is $18. And then we have the Huda Beauty Alluring liquid lipstick, which the packaging is kind of I don't know, I just don't really, not really my favorite, but you pull it out. I'm not gonna use this because it is not vegan, and also I don't know if she still sells mink lashes or not, but I was kind of disappointed. But it's also not really my shade. I'm not really a big red kind of gal, but it has beeswax in it, so I cannot use it. Why does it say perfume in there? Who knows? But yeah, it's a bright red, so I'm gonna give it to one of my friends. So that was kind of disappointing. That is $21. And then this Hide foundation, which I actually picked out. The other option was the Ofra Cosmetics. It was this really big complexion palette, which was $125 value, full size bronzers and stuff, but I just didn't think I would use it, as well as I have fairly fair skin. Sometimes lighting makes it look a little darker. All right, let me know if that's better, okay? I have 2 shadow boxes now, so I don't have to have my ring light on, but let me know if you guys think it's a little better or if it's darker. I don't know, sometimes it's a little true. I think it's a little truer to color. But anyway, so I thought I had a good shade match, but this is not porcelain, okay? That's straight up orange. But I put this on for a second. I'm gonna try to get this to someone else. But this is from High Beauty. This is their invisible, oil-free, medium to full coverage. It just did not sit very well. It feels kind of cheap, I'm just being honest, but it's white packaging. Ingredient list is, it's fine, just like a typical foundation. Supposed to be underlining, blah, blah, blah. Good for all skin types, undetectable, oil-free. It is like straight up almost orange. I'll put this swatch that I have, but like this is not porcelain, like at all, okay? I thought I was like, oh man, I'm gonna get too light of a shade. Like, no, this is straight up like, looks like George Hamilton orange. That was 30 bucks. Like they're kind of, and it's a soft matte, which I really don't like because it just does not sit well on my skin like at all. Like I feel like it just sits there instead of like melting into my skin, and it just looks like you can see every dry patch I've ever had in my life and then some. It just doesn't like, and it was already settling. I'm talking like instantly. So yeah, no. And then this eyeshadow palette, like I wish I had gotten the A for Beauty one that my friend got. The packaging's really pretty, but it has a pressed glitter in there, and I'm like, why? All right, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's their Unconditional palette, $28. I like Dominique Cosmetics, the only palette that I have, and I love her cream blush. Pretty packaging, and then it is magnetic. But like, look at that. Like, are you for real? Like, I'm not touching that. I have not touched the eyeshadows. They look very pretty, even though it kind of looks like I touched it, but I swear I have not touched it. But like, that looks just like a mess waiting to happen. So no. I have to include this. So this is the Uma Beauty mascara. Really cool packaging. And it is their Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. It is Salute to the Sun, so very like Egyptian. And it is $19.50. So it's supposed to have a hourglass shaped wand, grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. This bestseller is now dripping in gold. So yeah, hopefully it's good. It's gonna go in my never-ending mascaras to try. Like, just not impressed. Unfortunately, this box is kind of like not my favorite box that I've ever received. But you can't win them all, you know? But yeah, I'm hoping next month is better. I don't even remember what I chose. I don't remember. So that'll be fine. I'll put like pictures of like what I chose, but I just don't remember right now. But yeah, I wanted to get this video up, so I'm excited about the lip liner, and I'm fairly excited about this. So let me know what you got in your box. Are you excited? What you picked out for February? Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.